Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Wi-Fi does not have a valid IP configure. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is netsh space winsock reset. After that, type a command is netsh space int space ip space reset. After that, type a command is ipconfig space / release. After that, type a command is ipconfig space / renew. After that, type a command is ipconfig space / flash DNS and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, go to your network adapter, click on run it, select a Ethernet or a Wi-Fi, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your network and internet, go to your advanced network settings, click on network reset. After that, click on reset now. When you click on a reset now, it's required of a few minutes, and after that your computer will be restart, and after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager, select a network adapter, select a network adapter, click on update driver, close it. Click on network adapter, go to your browser, let me pick from list in my computer, click on next. Then close it. I hope your problem is resolved, but if your problem is still, then you can right click and uninstall the device, and after uninstalling that, restart your computer, and after that reinstall the network adapter. I hope after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.